I like it. Damn.
Hey, welcome to my solo travel vlog. It is 7:21 a.m. I'm in Virginia right now, so I'm flying out of DC airport. I'm like, my body's so tired. These clips right now aren't really making sense. I was just yapping. But basically, I booked a solo trip last minute, and I'm just going to Miami. I was home for my godmother baby shower, so that's why I was at my parents' house. I booked a one-way, but I didn't really book a flight back to Atlanta. And I was working like crazy hours that week, so I was just like exhausted and I needed a break. And booked a trip right to Miami, and yeah, this is me prepping and about to leave the house. I'm gonna get ready. At this point, everything was going smooth. I arrived at the DC airport and I got through security in like 5 minutes, but then, well, you'll see. Just got delayed 2 hours. Okay guys, welcome to the solo travel vlog. Going to Miami. My flight just got delayed 2 hours, so I'm waiting to board now. I have no idea what to do. I just found this random airport lounge. Now I just ordered a mimosa and salad, so I'm just be here for now. Hey guys, my food just got here. I ordered a salad. I don't even like fucking salad. I don't know why I ordered this. But we're gonna force it down. Okay, so what are we on my side? Hey guys, so my flight has been delayed 3 fucking hours. I'm pissed. Okay, I already drank a mimosa, I already ate, but like 3 hours, that messed up a lot of my plans. I did a whole itinerary, all messed up. Now, because I won't get to Miami till 6, and I'm supposed to get to Miami at 2 o'clock, so. Try not to be mad, try not to be angry, try to think of the best of the situation, but damn.
While on board the airplane. The safety card in your... Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Miami, Florida. Enjoy the breathtaking beachscapes, clear blue waters, and vibrant energy. This is the beauty of Miami.
I made it to the hotel. I'm headed to my room right now. This is too nice. I'm at the... I'm freaking out, I'm freaking out, I'm freaking out. Guys, oh my god. I'm freaking out, okay. I'm freaking out. 3, 8, 13. I can't read this. Okay, wait. I'm in the freaking room. I'm gonna give you a room tour. It's actually insane. I need to find the remote though to this TV so I can turn it off for just a second. Sorry, just looking for the button. It's so crazy, actually. Oh, it's right here. I'm slow. Sorry, the lighting might be bad, but I'm in the room, I'm checked in, I'm settled in, I did the videos that I need to do. Right now I'm gonna unload my suitcase and everything away in the closet. I'm going to live at like 11:30, it's like 7:30 right now. So I kind of want to take a shower, I need to run to the store, do all of that. But this room is insane, guys. Insane. So I'm gonna unpack real quick and then I'll get back to y'all once I unpack the whole lot of nothing. It is currently 8:01. I'm about to get in the shower and get ready for dinner. I'm gonna go to Blade. It's at the Fontainebleau where I'm staying at. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat because I'm a little hungry, and by a little I mean a lot of hungry. The menu looks good. I think it's like sushi and stuff, so can't go wrong with that. But yeah, I'm gonna go and get in the shower now. I was gonna take a bath, but I'll take a bath when I get home from Liv later. Start the vlog. What's up, guys? I'm in. Sorry, I need to stop doing that. Hey guys, I'm in Miami. Welcome to the video, guys. Night 1. This is the outfit. I'm wearing this lavender dress from Classy. I'm going to dinner, and then I'm going to Live to see Boss Richie for his like album release party or whatever. And it Live's like one of the biggest clubs in Miami. So I'm going anyway. Now I have to go act nice and presentable downstairs. I'm headed to dinner. This is actually insane, for free, might I add. Yeah, there's 8 pools. Dinner was amazing, but now I am going to get dressed for Live. Okay, I'm back from dinner. It was good. It was expensive, but it was good. I'm about to start getting ready to go out. I'm supposed to be ready and in the lobby by 11:30, so I want to be there at 11:30. I know y'all probably like 11:30 for the club, but
I was going with the promoter, so they're
like you have to be here in the lobby at 11:30. Also, Liv is in the lobby at the Fountain Blue. I just have to change, honestly, touch up the makeup, and I want to take pictures before I go out because we already know how it be when we take
pictures after we go out.
So yeah, right now I'm finna just I cannot believe it. Out in Miami Beach. At this point, it was 4 a.m., so I literally ran back upstairs, started the bath, and I knocked the freak out. I'm gonna just hold y'all. Basically, I went out to the club by myself last night. Like, it was so fun. I had so much fun. I met these girls. So those last clips was me trying to attempt to recap the night, but I was not talking about enough.
Bunch of nothing.
Guys, when I tell you I had so much fun, the promoter that I went, I'll leave his information here. He was super cool. He got me in for free.
He covered everything, the drinks, everything.
He didn't ask for no money. He wasn't weird. He wasn't all up on you. He was a really cool guy. 10 out of 10, recommend him. He made the experience honestly amazing. I was like, he left before we did. He was like, yo, I'm leaving, but y'all have a good night, be safe. Like, I asked for water. This man got me a big old bottle of Fiji water. I'm like, thank you. Thank you. I met these girls right outside. They were coming in with the same promoter, so like you waited in the lobby of the Fountain Blue, and then he'll take you in the group of like girls that wanted to go out. Sweetest girls ever. It just stuck with them the whole night. I hung out with them. Everybody in the section was cool. Like, we were talking, we were dancing, we were singing with all the other girls in the section. So it was honestly an amazing experience. I had the best time ever. Boston Richie did perform that night too, so that was cool to see, and he played my favorite song, Help Me. It was so much fun, and it was so convenient too because I stayed at the Fountain Blue, and so I just went right back upstairs at the end of the night. Didn't have to call no Uber, didn't have to do nothing. If you're going on a solo trip, book at the Fountain Blue so you can eat good, swim good, go to the club good, a time. But yeah, alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna wrap the video up here. Stay tuned for part 2 next Sunday, where I show you like my last 2 days in Miami, where I went to the beach club, pool. I went out and explored a little bit, but definitely stay tuned. Click that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that every button, and yes, I will see you next Sunday. Bye.